ring forever and years. Now Sri Look is a wondrous place in lore and song renowned. For bards or poets and fiddlers' names in history's page are found. Of Julia and Dennis Murphy you have often times heard tell, but now I'll sing of John the Larry, whom we knew and loved so well. And oh, I see you and Connors with Dennis Murphy at your side. At the box and the fiddle blending, heart and the rhythm, style and pride. Then the dancing and the cheering as they take it heel and toe. And the music of the Sri Look filled our hearts to overflow. Dennis died and he was mourned like a king in days gone by. Only you could fill that banner, keep the stiff Crocus banner high, and the music and the laughter and the joy you shared so free gave us heart in times of worry, and live on in memory. You are given the gift of music, you give back a hundredfold, and the lovely tunes you taught us in time.